Dami pumapalakpak. Madami din hindi. Parang, ano yung kanta na yun? Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Daddy Yoki. My goodness! Ang daming matanda. Ha? That's why we had to start straight away. Sabi nila, mag-start kayo kasi magwiwiwi pa yung iba. Oo, kaya nag-start na kami. Handa ayam-ayam po. Sa lahat ng matanda, ikaw ang late. Ito po kayo. So yes, ang daming matatanda, pero ang daming mayaman. Oo, ito yung mga mayayaman na totoo. Hindi hinahatiran ng maleta. Sapagkat meron na sila mga maleta. Meron na kayong mga maleta, mga Louis Vuitton, na mga branding. Na ang laban ay hindi pera, gamot. Gamot ang tulad ni Mami, nainom nyo na yung gamot ninyo. Asan ba dito yung mga diabetes group? Nasa kamay. Pumalakpak lang kayo, alam mo kung may diabetes kayo, palakpak. Asan ang mga matataas ang uric acid, palakpakan. Ayan. Ayan dito yung mga may sakit sa puso, taas ang palaktas. Oo, medyo humihina na kayo. Yung mga nandyan sa taas, okay na kayo. Yes, sumigaw kayo dahil malapit na kayo sa heaven. Sabi nga ni Lord, blessed is the poor, for you shall see the gates of heaven. Joke lang yun. Sa bahay namin nakakatawa yun. Oh boy, tonight is gonna be special. It's gonna be for all of the daddies out there. And, oh, by the way, nakita ko yung meron kayong mga light stick. Huwag nyo munang buksan. Kasi hindi kayo sanay pag mga Gen Z kasi yan. Huwakan nyo muna, mamaya nyo bubuksan, may surprise. Habang wala, ihampas nyo muna doon sa mga katabi ninyo. Ayan, alright. Pakitago lang, kunwari alam nyo. Tsaka kung titingnan nyo, nakasulat, Super Divas. O kasi labis siya doon sa contract na asawa ko. Hiningi ko lang. Sa kagandahang loob ni Kakay, Mitra, binigyan ako. Ang bait, ano? Pero hindi tinanggal yung Super Divas. Pambihirang sister-in-law yan, no? Okay, so, we're gonna go down a trip through memory lane. Pero unahin muna natin yung mga baby boomers. Ayan, muna kayo pumalakpa kasi mahalata. Ito yung panahon na ang mga baby boomers ay nagbibinata na. At ito naman yung panahon ng mga Gen Xers tulad namin, naka-shorts pa. Tapos yung mga millennial at saka yung mga Gen Z, hindi pa namin napapag-isipan yung mga yun. Oo, nakakatawa yun, Patrick. Oo. Yes! Naghihiyawa ng mga lolo. Tayo sa pamamahay natin, pinakapaborito natin gawing mga Pilipino ay magbidyoke. Diba? Nagkakagulo sa labas, magbibidyoke. Diba? Ganyan tayo eh. Kung kaya't ngayong gabi, magbibidyoke tayo. At meron akong mga naimbitahan ng mga ilang mga tatay na makipag-join po sa akin. Surpresa po ito. Wala silang bayad. Okay. Tingnan natin kung naalan niyo po itong mga awitin. Pasok po kayo, pasok po kayo. Tingnan po yung mga ticket nila. Naalala niyo to?
Very excited to watch you perform, and I'm glad that I get to spend this Father's Day with you. So thank you for being such a wonderful dad. Love you.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you. I miss you so much. I hate that we're apart this time of year, but I know that we'll have a phone call and we'll get to catch up. I'll see you hopefully soon this year when I come to visit. I'm so proud of you, and I think you're amazing. I love you. Mwah.
That's Leela, who's here tonight. Where are you? There you are. Stand up, sweetheart. She's my eldest, and she's married to her husband, Mito, who is right there. And the other lady, I should say, is my daughter Sarah. She's a nurse in Australia. And they have wonderful accents, which I sometimes try to do, but they make fun of me. But I love them very dearly, you know. These girls are... They're wonderful. It was hard as a dad, but you know, they've grown up to be such wonderful kids. No kids anymore, they're wonderful ladies. Thank you. Thank you to Michelle and to Mark for raising such wonderful girls. Okay, now if you're gonna ask us, I think as parents, or if you're gonna ask us, ano ba yung legacy natin? Ang legacy natin ay ang ating mga anak, hindi po ba? And so, yes, palagpakan natin ang ating mga sarili for raising kids. So, Leila and Sarah, we would like, and I say we would like to sing a song for the two of you. To sing with me tonight is Nathaniel James Alcacid. Tweenie.
I know.
How are you, bud?
Hmm?
How are you?
Good?
Yun na yun yung conversation
Yeah.
namin. Close kami. No, I just want to say, Nate, thank you so much for doing this for Dad. I know that I'm not really paying you much because that's what the law says. But you've done it out of the goodness of your heart. And I just want to say thank you. That's all? You have any questions for me?
Well, you paid me already, so I have nothing to say.
Oh, alright. Okay. Kasi kagabi nagre-reklamo, bakit wala daw siyang bayad? Pero naman, may konting pakimkim.
Because it's the law.
It's the law. That's right, that's the law. Ayaw niya nagtutuining kami. Kaya ako natatawa. Alright. Let's stay a little closer to the people. Alright. Now, aside from singing for the girls, I egged him to sing a song called Father and Son. Because it's such a special song. And, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Ang dami-dami kong drama, no? Yung yan, ang sagot,
I know.
Ano ba yung panyo na yan? Ano nagagawa niya? Cool ba yan?
And wipe your tears.
My tears. Joke ba yun? Years ago, when I was a young boy, I wrote a song for a soap opera in GMA. And one of the ladies that they chose, the lady that they chose to sing with me, and who was my personal choice, is someone that I'm working with every single day today, except Sunday, in a show called Showtime. So tonight, she was kind enough to say yes to my invitation to sing with me. Friends, please welcome the very beautiful, the very talented, the wonderful Carrillo. Oh my goodness. Annyeonghaseyo. So beautiful.
Thank you. Akala yata nila si Vice ganda yung lalabas. Kasi works with you every day.
Sabi ko beautiful, di ba?
Grabe ka. Nasa pangalan na nga yung ganda.
Saka sabi ko, di ba, wonderful. Di, mahal namin yung si Vice. So, naninigaw lang. Pero hindi, joke. Yes, sweetheart, you look so awesome.
Kansamnida.
Oh, that's a beautiful dress.
Thank you.
I'd like to borrow it.
Oo naman.
So,
He's so funny. One of my favorite singers, composers, aside from my husband who's backstage.
oh, is he?
Yeah, but my favorite comedian, I think.
Who is?
Ikaw.
Oh, me.
Tsaka choreographer.
Oh, yes.
Do you know the dance
I
chicken?
yeah.
Oh my god.
I didn't even know I was a comedian. I thought I was just a fashion model. Bakit nakakatawa yun?
Ang dami mong pinaus. Ay, he forces everyone to do his dance. That
Yes.
one?
Yes, can you do...
Give me a beat.
Cookies,
Hey,
takis,
it's
cookies,
disco.
takis, cookies, takis, cookies, takis, cookies, takis, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go crazy and jump and down and up and down.
Parang di kayo naaaliw. Ano?
Palakpakan naman natin all get natin. The choreographers.
Gusto ko lahat
Hi.
ng mga ginagawa ko dito. Pambira, bakit mo sinadjust yun? Napasubo tuloy ako, nagmukha akong tanga.
It's just showing your many sides.
Sa harap ng mga mayayamang ito. Oh my goodness! Nandiyan pala si Bato.
Hindi siya yan!
Diyos ko.
Happy Father's Day. I'm so sorry.
Oh my... Teka, may isa pa doon. Dalawa na kayo, nag-clone kayo. Mga kaibigan ko yan, pwede ko lokohin.
Ha!
Pero wala na silang buhok. Oh, yes.
I'm so sorry I made you dance. Do you want some water?
Yes, please, I made hingal in a very slight way. So now, I would like to thank and drink my Perrier.
Our richest friend on Showtime. Yeah, he eats steak almost like every day, no?
Yes.
Yeah,
That's why my cholesterol is so high.
oh. More veggies, no?
Yes. Ano, magkukwento tayo sa pagkain?
Sorry!
Ha? Ang dami na lang bayan ng siyahaw. Yeah. No, but thank you, Karel. You are the only one who said yes to me.
No choice.
Yes. I didn't want to bring that up, but yes, you're the only one.
I have been waiting for this invitation and it finally came.
Aww.
Buti na lang walang ibang available.
Oo.
It's my turn.
It's their lost. Kailangan ba may tea? It's their lost. Nakakatawa yun. Nakakatawa yun sa mga matatalino. O, sige nga, matalino ba kayo? Ako, pretending.
Tawang-tawa si Derek Mark Reyes sa
Oo nga,
Fegatan.
oo, direktor po yan. Nakaitim.
Miss Cheska of Baguettes.
Yes, yes. Sino pa?
O, yan lang.
Yung mga gusto magpabati, ilagay nyo po sa papel. Lagyan nyo ng 500. Lalagay ko po kayo.
Baka i-cast ka niyan sa next show niya.
Ano yung next show? Ay, yes! Oo. Meron tayong Daddy Yoki Part 2. Mga sa akin na, kasi pag kumakanta ako, tapos kinuna niyo yung picture, alabas ko doon. Diba? Gandahan nyo. Ay, hindi, alam mo ang gawin natin? Parang, sige, labas niyo yung mga camera ninyo. Labas niyo yung mga camera ninyo. Para naman, may makakuha kayo sa concert ko na magaganda. Okay? Hindi yung mga... Ganun. Oh, bigyan ko kayo ng isang smile. Ito yung aking, pa-picture. Ito yung aking Piolo Pascual smile. Ayan! Are you ready? Everybody say 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3! Parang walang dating, ano? Dito? O sige, gusto mo yung sa'yo? Coco Martin. Ready ka na? Ba't hindi kayo bumakalakpak? Parang baliwala sa inyo yung mga ginagawa ko ito. Grabe ang ginawa sa akin ni Belo eh. Ito naman yung Ogie Alcacid smile. Handa na po kayo? Everybody say 1, 2, 3. I would like to acknowledge some people in the audience. Si Senator Grace po, andyan po siya. Palakpakan po natin. Ibigan ko po yun. Si Joey Generoso. Nasaan si Joey Generoso? Umihe. Kiloloko niyo ako, wala naman si Joey Generoso. Ayun! Andiyan pala si Joey. O ba nanood sa akin si Joey Generoso? At saka si Sofronio Vasquez. Saan? Ay, nandiyan ka sa taas, si Lou. Yan ang champion po natin. Alright. Okay pa ba kayo? Kasi ako pagod na. Alright. Kanina kinantahan natin yung mga, alam nyo dito sa concert na ito, wala akong tulong. Walang tumutulong sa akin. Sandali. Pero hindi sinukbit sa akin yung gitara. Okay, so kagabi, walang tumulong sa akin. Mabuti naman lumabas siya. Wala akong pick. Alright. So kanina kinantahan natin yung mga baby boomers. Kinantahan natin yung mga Gen Xers. Ngayon naman, kantahan natin ang mga millennial. Asan yung mga millennial? Talaga ba?